Well, the Supreme Court decision to take up the issue is getting a reaction back here in Oklahoma. 2 News reporter Dan Perlman sat down with a same-sex couple tonight who actually has a lawsuit of their own in the court system. It's new at 10. Dan?
Yeah, the lawsuit is aimed at legalizing gay marriage here in Oklahoma, but the future of that could depend on what happens in Washington.
We've lived together 16 years last month.
This is Sharon Baldwin and Mary Bishop. These are photos from their commitment ceremony back in 2000.
So we've had a formal commitment for
almost 13 years.
12 and a half years, yeah.
They're partners, and for the last 8 years, they've been working with a lawyer.
We're challenging the state law or constitutional amendment that denies us the right to marry each other legally.
Of course, they want the legal rights that would come with that marriage. They want to file their taxes together. They want inheritance rights, and they want Social Security benefits, to name a few. But most importantly, they want the community to accept them.
Right now, we are second-class citizens. We always have been, and we always will be until these laws are overturned.
In comes the Supreme Court and the ruling from the justices.
If the ruling is broad enough that it makes our case moot, then our case would go away and Sharon and I would go down to the courthouse and get married.
That being said,
there's some selfish part of you that wants your day in court. You want it to be your case that's changing the world. But on a much different level, this could be the best news ever for gay people everywhere.
So now Bishop and Baldwin wait. They are confident that one day they will get married, but
we have to call it marriage. Separate but equal has never been equal, and it won't be until we can get married just like a straight couple.
The Supreme Court will probably take this issue up in March, but we might not know the decision until June. Dan Perlman, 2 News, works for you.
Dan, thanks. A lot of people will be watching that case very, very closely.